For myself, I sat down one morning with a coffee and spoke to my computer for about an hour and a half, and got it to generate my voice off that. Just 10 minutes at a time. It was pretty boring, but
Yeah.
but it was something required that I wanted to do, so I had that as a potential use for other things.
Excellent. So now, when we talk about the return on investment on something like this, let's first try and explore what's the investment in developing something like that. As Luke just showed, like developing a simple voice assistant, like a prototype, is generally straightforward. But then let's talk about building something commercially and sort of unpack it. So what would you say would be the main components of the cost that's involved in those developing those voice assistants?